Welcome to this essential video on motor failure analysis. We will explore the top 5 reasons industrial electric motors burn out, providing a guide for students, teachers, and electricians. Motor failure has a significant financial impact. Every minute of unplanned downtime can cost the industry thousands. Motor stress is categorized into 4 main types: electrical, thermal, mechanical, and environmental. Each stressor contributes to the degradation and eventual failure of motor components. The primary cause of motor failure, accounting for 51%, is bearing failures. Winding failures and external factors each account for 16%, and miscellaneous issues make up 17%. The number one killer is heat. Overheating halves the insulation life for every 10 degrees Celsius rise. Monitoring airflow and conducting regular thermographic scans are vital for prevention. Bearing wear is the leading cause of motor failure. Prevention involves using the exact grease specified by the OEM and avoiding overgreasing to prevent seal failure and contamination. Contamination damage includes dust and grit, which act as sandpaper, moisture leading to rust, and chemicals that corrode copper and insulation resins. Voltage and phase unbalance exponentially increase motor temperature. A small 3% unbalance can increase the temperature by 25%. Maintain unbalance below 1% for maximum longevity. Excessive vibration and misalignment cause metal fatigue. Use laser alignment for precision, check for soft foot during mounting, and perform periodic vibration analysis. Preventative maintenance involves several scheduled checks. These include semi-annual infrared scans, quarterly vibration analysis, annual insulation tests, and monthly visual inspection and cleaning. Remember Benjamin Franklin's words: "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." Regular preventative maintenance is key to motor longevity.